kabulastugan, hindi malilimutan ang asaran na merong pikunan, lalo na rin ang unang niligawan, unang kabiguan. At dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagdadamayan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan. Tatlong mga buwan, kaibigan namang maaasahan. Oh, di na tayo pabata, edad may di nahahalata. Sa mga trip unti-unti na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan man magkita, tiyak may kwela, yan ang aking mga tropa. Inuman na pang magdamagan, minsan inaabot pa ng ayaan, na kung saan-saan, na para bang walang kinabukasan at kahantungan. At dyan nasiseryoso ang usapan, ang pagpapayuhan ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan. Kung mga baliw, kaibigan namang nakakaaliw. Oh, di na tayo pabata, edad may di nahahalata. Sa mga trip unti-unti na tayo nagsasawa. Pero kahit ganon, barkadang matatag hanggang sa ngayon. Minsan man magkita, tiyak may kwela, yan ang aking mga tropa.
The moment when I was with Karen is every time na mag-uban ni wow. Sobrang wow na wow. Grabe. Kadalingi. Maalaari. Kaluwa. Oh, nakakatawag ko promise. As in, ako, my God, magbaylo ko siguro mag-face anit. But then, I'm so glad and happy that friendship are growing stronger. And I hope it's for a lifetime. Of course, it's a lifetime, diba? Well, anyway, Pangit, I would like to thank you. And, saan naman? Basta naman dun ka. Hindi naman dun ka na maupuglan. But then, I'm so excited and happy na ikasama ka. May paka. Ayun tao. Para mabot ang pagda sa mua. But then, it's not just now. Karen, ako lang advice sa inyo is patient is virtue. Moral din na siya ngit. As in, moral din ako iba. Patient is virtue. And without patient, kung ikaw ano dyan ka pamimpi na po, Diyos ko, day. Bonggang away. Oh, may God bless you both and Godspeed. I love you.
Never
priceless person in my life. Having a strong personality, but deep inside, she's weak, especially when it comes to her family. She has that attitude that she fights what she thinks is right, and she really stands for it. Having that memories with her for over 12 years is as a friend will always be treasured, and I'll always be looking forward every time when I'm around, and I'm sure it will make or it would paint a smile in my face. That's why Kang, I'm so happy for being one of your friend or a best friend or an advisor sometimes, vice versa. Thank you so much for the friendship, and I am hoping and looking forward for many more years together as family.